Germany has formally committed to delivering 120 Soviet-origin 9K-38 Igla man-portable air defense systems, MANPADS, to Ukraine, marking a pivotal moment in its military aid policy. This will be the first time Berlin supplies this specific class of air defense missile to Kiev, signaling a notable escalation in its support amid Russia's ongoing military campaign. The 9K-38 Igla, referred to in NATO terminology as the SA-18 Grouse, is a shoulder-fired missile system originally engineered by the Soviet Union in the early 1980s. Compact, mobile, and designed for quick deployment, the Igla enables troops on the ground to target low-altitude threats such as helicopters, fighter jets, and more recently, drones and loitering munitions. With an effective firing range of approximately 5.2 kilometers and the ability to strike targets at altitudes of up to 3.5 kilometers, this missile gives frontline forces a practical and potent air defense option when larger, stationary systems aren't viable. The decision to send Igla units comes at a critical juncture for Ukraine, as Russia has increased the frequency and intensity of air attacks, especially in contested regions and urban combat zones. The lightweight, portable nature of the Igla makes it ideal for use in fluid battlefield scenarios, giving Ukrainian units the agility to react to fast-changing threats from the sky. Unlike large-scale missile systems, these handheld launchers are perfect for dispersed units operating under guerrilla or asymmetrical warfare conditions. A key strength of the Igla is its passive infrared homing system, which does not emit signals that could be intercepted or jammed. This makes it more resistant to modern electronic warfare tools. Its fire and forget design also allows the operator to relocate immediately after launch, reducing exposure and enhancing survivability during combat. While German officials haven't officially confirmed where the Igla systems are sourced from, analysts speculate that the launchers likely originate from Cold War-era East German arsenals. Following German reunification in 1990, the Bundeswehr took over substantial stocks of Soviet weaponry left by the former German Democratic Republic. Many of these weapons were stored long-term or phased out but remain functional. This delivery represents more than a symbolic gesture. It underscores how older military hardware, long thought obsolete, can still play a vital role in modern combat, especially when adapted for evolving threats. With the Russian military relying heavily on aerial assets and loitering drones, Ukraine's integration of the Igla will significantly improve its ability to shield troops, supply lines, and command structures from sudden airborne strikes. Germany's move to supply these legacy systems to Ukraine is both a reflection of changing geopolitical realities and a practical adaptation to the demands of 21st-century warfare.